Talofa he tauranga mata I tō whē. Moe me e we e watu sasai e te salu saru e. Tauranga sunga tofa e tua e whangapia. Oku whē tauranga wawau.
Would you mind holding that bowl? Just to match the other side. Great. All right.
Oranges.
Lemons.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's enough.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Smile, Robert.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's a great photo. Okay.
No, I did.
Well done.
That's it.
Okay, picking.
May I acknowledge the presence of our Heavenly Father in our midst. I pay my respects to the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet upon, the land of the Kamilaroi peoples and leaders and elders in the past, present, and emerging. Mayor Jamie Chaffee, Mayor of Gunnedah, Mr. Robert Purdle, owner of Gunnible Citrus Farm. Thank you for taking the time to warmly and delightfully welcome us to your beautiful farm today. It is indeed a pleasure for us to visit you, as we are all very excited and happy to finally be able to visit Gunnedah today and your farm. At the same time, we're able to see for ourselves, to learn and to understand the needs of the people of Gunnedah, and we hope our sister city arrangement with Kolomotu'a and Tonga can help with the supply and demand for such needs, which will be mutually beneficial for both Gunnedah and Kolomotu'a. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How generous you are. I'm sure that me and Chappie and Robert Hoddle would like to say something, but I want to say something. I wanted to say thank you so much for coming. We feel so honoured to have you. And we have now a long connection with you. Dropped. No, we have a long connection with Tonga, so it's a particular pleasure to have you today. So thank you so much. And I'm very impressed with your book. Thank you. But now you two are allowed to speak. Sometimes women get forgotten.
Robert, would you like to say a few words?
Well, it's such an honour to have you here, Your Royal Highness, and it is a day we've been waiting for because of COVID. This has been 4 years coming in, and I'd have to congratulate Jamie for having the foresight to do this. You know, as a small town, well, it's not such a small town, but Gunnedah, to be at the leading edge of this type of relationship with our Pacific brothers and sisters is a wonderful thing, and it can only bring good over the years. We mightn't see great things happen next year, but over the decade, we'll see all sorts of things happen. Opportunities opening up for children at school, opportunities for Rotary clubs to go to Tonga and help, workers coming here. In the health sector, we'll see all sorts of benefits between the two countries. And I think what as we can do in Gunnedah is to try and encourage our people to take a holiday in Tonga, and that will boost their economy. And they've got some nice places to stay there. Fiona and I have been to Tonga, and we loved it. So that's something that we can do to help their economy immediately, and then hopefully we'll see more Tongan faces in the street in Gunnedah in the years to come. So thank you again for coming.
We're very humbled to have you here today in Gunnedah, and really appreciate the time that you've taken to drive all the way from Canberra. As Robert has said, it has been a long time in the making for today to come to fruition. We look forward to tomorrow with great excitement of signing the relationship formally, and we really will be working very, very closely with you and your team to make sure that not just the signing as a symbolic start of the relationship, but there is great planning to make sure that the relationship will go on for many, many years, and it will have the strength of many different aspects. As Robert said, tourism is something that's important for both of our communities, but so is our economy, so are our children. As we have one of the high school principals here today, because that's a sign of a great anticipation of what's to come for our children to learn more of your culture and be enriched as a community as well. So we really do appreciate you being here today, sharing some time with us. And I must say, the start of the relationship, the concept of the relationship really comes back to this very place that we're on today, because of the rich relationship over more than 10 years from the Hoddle family, and also people that have come from Tonga to help out with the orchard here during harvest. They've proven themselves to be absolutely magnificent ambassadors for Tonga, over that 10-year period, and that in itself is the very starting point for why the concept of building a strong relationship, because we know the people from your kingdom are people that are trustworthy and hard workers. So we look forward to the future, Princess. Okay. I think that's it.
There's so many questions. I look after all the Tongan people. So this guy.
Where is the High Commission? This is the best time for them to fall. Fall for the princess. They're quite competitive.
No.
You bring your wife home now.
I'm feeling tired. What's that?
Just don't squid her in the eye.
Oh, there's the winner.
How long does it usually take them to pick one tree?
Well, the way they're going, well, one person, it's going to take him 5 or 10 minutes. It's so fast. I mean, these are really good pickers. They're the best pickers we've had. They've done it for a while. So Seppo, when he came first, he was a little boy.
This one?
This is Seppo, yeah, he's from Vaval. And I think last time he was here, he went home and bought his father a Toyota Hilux.
Oh.
They grow some pineapples.
Maria Tata.
That's what you like to see, is it? Would you like to go and pick some? So Jamie, you'd like some of these boys to work for you, business?
No, I wouldn't have enough business for them. Too quick.
Oh, look at that.
This one, the British delegation made it this year. My wife and I from the States.
There must be, there's good snorkeling, yeah. Past Bafra Island, there was a little island we went to, Edward Norton. After Bafra, there was just a little coral island, and Edward and I went there with boats and snorkeled there. It was very pretty. Little island. No sharks. Do they have sharks?
We have sharks, but if there's one, I'll find it. I have to wear swimmers in South Australia.
Yes. Just the next thing we're doing is we can go to the accommodation. And if you like to eat inside, you need to take someone to these men to show her. Yeah. Yeah. So you want to take someone? Yeah. To take Eliza? Thanks guys, will that do? We'll take them all. We'll take them all. Eliza, that's enough. So the princess may like to see your inside, don't know, but if you're over there, she may want to come in and just see your house. We're going over.
I'll just pick the ones here.
Shall we have a race, Princess?
Well, that's a good photo. Princess, could you turn a little? That's it, yes, that's good. Thank you. The little one.
Puke Lātū.
So honoured. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Princess.
Forevermore, this will be known as the princess.
So you guys.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
We could probably plant the tree while they go. Whatever you like.
Okay.
You're strong. Tongans can do more than two. So we put a sign on it to say who planted it. Robert?
Hold together.
Then maybe the three of you can hold it. Your Highness and Tongan. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Thank you.
Kakala o Tonga te uruva Tukuru kona rangakari hei lalanga ngatu mo te roro mo e skua te utoe o atu o si o ka hola o ka te fola Kakala o Tonga te uruva lala tangi tangi loto palasi loto Oe e malaka lo tangi tangi Oro sila e o pasimo e api E tupe taiki oe o tutongan Haini te oro tonu fualofa Olo me ti kora o e kalatoa E whewhine olo toha angana Tā ahine taina mua paea Mahina hopo e langi ta whitonga Urungi ai a tonga kotoa Palani te tapu o Polinisia Te whetapaki o hange a uwila Leisiri wae o futukopuna Siueli o hahatalaua E koe ora e o haamohe ofo O e whai angaia o e tālo Mahina hopo e langi ta whitonga Urungi ai a tonga kotoa Palani te tapu o Polinisia Te whetapaki o hange a uwila Mahina hopo e langi ta whitonga
Yo o kai ko to ma o taula mara funga o kaua i mo i a o ka ko kon ko ha ni foku ka kato mai ki a honi ta ka ta ka kato e mo papaya mai ki fungan to ku ko ta ye mo mo ki mo re ko to pe mo ta mai nga o na mo la mo ki to ka to mo to on ka tu pe mo ki wa tu pe a re mo o sia e nga o nga kon Lagi pe ku ke vai pe mau fia la e mau lau monu ia e mau mi o ngau e unga mai ke fama kon una pe e tota ho petrodo ko e pitania ia ne no fonu ai tangata ko ni o veina o pito ki mau tonga ko mau o mi ki fama tau mau kamata e fama ko ni wafta haua ko e whakatola hia ka te ki motolu si kau ngā tokonga ka mai ngā he tō whawhine kau whakapaia mai ke whunua muri koen. Tau omi ki e ni u makatunga pe koe masiwa tau ngā he whamiri. Ngai pio tau ngā he kawenga ke fua ngai koe whakatola hi ko o si tala pia he Sisu Christ ki maman. Mea ko tau pe te tau whai te tau kai e maa e kakawa. Tau ku makatunga e mau whae mata mai ke whunuan. Nge whunga ko mau whae ngau e koe ngau e anga koen. Ku mau ngau e whakataha pe. Kuau pe mo toko ua, mau si mau hoa, ako toko tau te kei mau. Ako e whakaukau koe e mau ki ngau e. Neonga ku mau hoa koe mo whanau. Ako e whangatako ko ku kege na mau hoa. Ku whalala mai hona whamiri, hona omi, hona. Aku pehea e whakaukau. E koe hape pini te mau mau e aho, mau ai wahi tatau. Tui ko e tofo ko e ngai family me tonga. Ke una roto tatau ke mo. Mo ki mātoro koe ni mau. Ako e whātolahi ia. Taro e maomi ngā wen. Ko tau again e hongo furu taun. Ka kato me ke taun ni tau hongo furu e mau ngā wen. I teke hata hai hanu pe launga ngā we anga koe. Matunga pe e sai e ngā ue. E sai e totong e ai pini. E maunga koe e pini koe ni he taimini. Koe mautori ko whonu e ku panga e whanima e koe pini. Ku whiwhia e mau moku. Koe toku wha taimeni ke hiki aka e mau pini. Koe mau hiki me panga e tolu whitu ke panga e whanima. Ku whiwhia apu te tamaiki e ngā ue. Matunga pe e ofa e tamai e koe ni. Kone loto tō ke hiki lahi pe e mautunga wahenga e ngā ue koe ni. Matunga pe e whiwhia e mau ngā ue. Koe mau e ngā ue anga whoko ni koe ke ha mau supervisor. Koe no moro koe wha mau pau pe ke supervisor. Koe ni, tuku pe e tangata i ki mau tō. Taimi ke mau kamatai, taimi ke mau tuku ai. Ni tala mai pe o tā he moni, pa mau whai ko tō ai tōa ke tōna. Koe mea mau monu ia i whama koe ni, mau whiwhia koe mau wau mai. Koe pe kakai ustokonaki he o tōa. Ke whai on toko nia ki mau tō, mau whakapaia mai me. Tau kipure anga ko tau. Koe au ku e tā monu atu. E teki mau tō ko tau pe. Si ngai toko a, si ngai toko whawhine. Ria ki o tau family, me maari e. Ka tau whakapaia mai ke wai whanua muri koe ni. Unga ngā ue mai ke. Tawang pe mo tō mafi. Ne kei whaki, whaki maro. Teki tau tōru ke whai ake tau whenga. Ea taimi ko tūtū ne o toa ke whai e wheunga. Tawang pe ki tau whelonga ki mui pe mo tau ngai kupi kawa ko tau ngai whamini me tonga. Ea tala munu atu mo e ki whatola. E ulewa maranga tau atu.
O